Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. In this video, I am sharing how I'm using the Dashboard Happy Planner as a budget planner. So we're going to look at how January is going so far and then do a little bit of setup in the February Paint Splash Dashboard Happy Planner. So I just wanted to show you just briefly how it's going in the dashboard so far in January. This is how I'm using it. The monthly overview page is where I just put in my paydays, when I pay bills, and then if the planner channel gets any incoming deposits, I put them there. I put the planner channel's bill pays and expenses on the back side of the bill pay checklist. On the front is my personal bill pay checklist, and we're going to set up February's in just a second. On the weekly, the dashboard page, there's a place for shopping lists. So these are like the things I want to get that are not groceries, any bills I need to pay, and I'm just not using that page a lot. However, I have a place to put it. So if it's time to shop, I have my lists right there in my planner. On the weekly pages, I am simply writing in my expenses, the place where I bought something and the amount, and that's it, and it all goes on that page. So great. So let me just show you one suggestion. I do like to put in these little like mini half sheets, or you can use regular half sheets or paper, whatever you want to put in, or sticky notes for your grocery shopping. If you're using a budget planner along with your grocery shopping, that's a great place to put that, and then when you go shopping, just take it out and bring it with you. The only thing about expenses, but this is the same no matter which kind of system you're using, is that you have to enter the expense amount. So as you can see right there, I didn't enter my receipt. So that means you kind of have to keep up with receipts. If you enter in everything each day that you buy it, then you're done and you don't need the receipts. Okay, so let's grab February and get that set up. Again, I'm using the Paint Splash Dashboard Planner. Here is my list of monthly bills that don't change in amount, credit card payments that do change in amount, and school and other things that I might write a check for or pay a bill for in the month. So this is all my personal. On the back is the planner channel's list of expenses. These are pretty much the same. Not always the same every month. So that's the planner channel's bills. Okay, so on the month, let me just take that back out. Let's do the fun part. So the Happy Planner gave us new stickers. They're so cute. I just love these stickers. I don't know. Stickers just make me happy. So let's find some stickers. So the ones I like to use on the monthly overview page are like a bill reminder. I could use this, the bills due. I think there was one that whatever I used last month was cute, and then I can pick a different color for each month. Let me find it. Did I get it out of this book? I think I did. Let's see. Oh, there it is. So what color do I want for February? Maybe light blue to go with that. Paint Splash. Let's do it. All right, so where's the first? Saturday the 1st. We'll put this little sticker there so I'll remember to pay bills. I pay all my bills online once a month and either pay them on the 1st or schedule out the payment for when it's due so that I don't have to pay bills all the time on all the different days. Once a month, I sit down, get everything scheduled. It makes it so much easier, and it's all online. Next is payday stickers. Let's look for some payday stickers. So I do have a full-time job and I get paid twice a month. Ooh, look at those coffee. Oh my gosh. Anyway, focus. There are, I think, payday stickers in here. These are just cute. Yes, I remember because I put them in last month. They looked like these. It'll be the last page that I look at, won't it? No, that's the last one. Okay, did I skip it? Here they are. These are cute little payday stickers. Okay, let's get the matching ones. We'll do light blue for February. So I think it's going to be the 14th. And let's see, when is the last day of the month? Business day. 28th, I guess. Friday for leap year, 29th. Okay, there we go. Paydays and bills due. And then towards the end of the month, as I check to see if what the planner channel's little paycheck is, that goes on here. I'll take one of the, let me grab it so I can show you. And I can't put these in ahead of time because you know how your payments sometimes don't arrive on the date that you expect them to. So I won't, but I'll use the box stickers and just put down a box and then write in the amount when I get a deposit. So that's it. So this is all my income and bills due. All right, so here's a little half sheet, mini half sheet. I'm gonna pop that in for things that I need to put on my grocery shopping list so that I have it right here to just take out and bring with me to go grocery shopping. Right now, we are all stocked up for the rest of the month of January because we did a lot of grocery shopping on Saturday. I'm trying to do better at blocking my activities and getting, so now we've got the next 2 weeks of grocery shopping already done, all done at one time. I stocked up on a bunch of things. I like to shop at Costco to stock. Leave a comment down below and tell me if you like to stock up in advance and shop at places like Costco. So we got all our paper plates and paper towels and toilet paper, and we get like laundry detergent, all our, I would call like dry goods, stock up on all of that stuff. And then you're not running out to get it all the time. The only things you have to really run out to get are fresh foods like fruits and vegetables, and if you're a meat eater, fresh meat, that kind of thing. Anyway, leave a comment down below and tell me if you're a big Costco or Sam's or what's the other one? BJ's. Do you like to shop at those kind of places? Anyway, so again, the dashboard, it's the same each month. So there's like a little shopping list here, or let me show you up close. To buy, if you need to run any errands that have to do with your budget, calls or emails you need to make for budget, bills to pay, and focus. Now I am working on a no spend, oh my gosh, until further notice, because I've got to pay off, as you saw on my little monthly bills, credit cards. So I want to get that stuff paid off. I was hoping one of these journaling cards had no spend on it, but it doesn't. It has shopping lists, which are super. You can use those instead of these. Shopping list. It also has a bill pay checklist on the back. Whoa, what are those? Oh, weekly expenses. But none of these say no spend. I like this. Tell your money exactly where to go and you'll not wonder where it went. Grateful heart. Start each day with a grateful heart. Work hard and stay humble. Priorities. Oh, needs, spend well, needs and wants. Stop wishing, start doing. Okay, but none of those say, hey, Katie, don't buy anything. All right, so I want a no spend. I know I saw one when I was organizing all my stuff. I want one that says no spend. All right, maybe there is one in here. Let's look. No spend challenge. Yes. Let's put that in. So we're going with this kind of light blue. Let's put that in this week. So my focus will be a no spend challenge. Where do I put it? There's so much space in one little sticker. I don't know. Let's put it right in the middle. Okay, that's all my decorations for this week. So it's not very complicated, not very exciting, but works fantastic. I love this layout as a budget planner. It is working perfectly. And spend well, needs and wants. Maybe that's what let's put that one in here. just to remind me to spend well. Yeah, let's put that right in the middle. Okay, there, that's a reminder. Let's just walk through one more time. Monthly overview page, I just write down when I'm paying bills, when I'm getting paid, when the planner channel gets paid. And then I pop in a bill pay checklist, personal bills on the front, business bills on the back. Pop that in and pay that stuff once a month. Then on the dashboard page, shopping list here. If you anything else you want to put a checklist, it says errands, calls and emails that have to do with bills, bills you need to pay, focus, no spend challenge, shopping list for groceries if you need something, so it's always in a place, and then weekly expenses. For me, it's mostly buying lunch and trying not to go shopping for stickers every day. So that's it. I hope that is helpful for you in your budget planning. Subscribe to the Planner channel to watch weekly videos about decorative and functional creative planning. You can get your free Power Plan checklist by clicking the link in the description box. And if you'd like to learn more, check out the Planner School. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next video.